In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Wix Marketplace. Whether you're looking to build a stunning website from scratch, collaborate with skilled professionals, or simply explore the tools Wix has to offer, this is the perfect starting point. Wix Marketplace is a hub of creativity, connecting you to experts and resources that can bring your vision to life. So if you're ready to dive into a world of design possibilities and take your website to the next level, stick around. I'll guide you through everything step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once you're ready, type wix.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to Wix's homepage, where all the magic begins. Once you're on the Wix homepage, look for the Get Started button. It should be prominently displayed on the screen. Click on it, and this will initiate the process of joining the Wix platform. If you already have an account, that's great. But if not, don't worry. Signing up is quick and easy. If you're new to Wix, you'll need to sign up for an account. To do this, click on the Sign Up button that appears on the next screen. You'll see a couple of options here. For the fastest experience, you can choose the Continue with Google option. This allows you to connect your account with your Google credentials, speeding up the process considerably. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use Google, you can manually enter your email address, create a password, and set up your account that way. Both options are simple and secure, so go with what feels right for you. Once your account is created, or if you already have one, log in using your credentials. Now that you're signed in, you'll have full access to your Wix dashboard, which is the central hub for all your website building activity. Next, let's navigate to the Wix Marketplace. You can do this by searching for Wix Marketplace, using the search bar within the Wix platform, or by locating it in the menu options. Take a moment to explore the interface as you go. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you've found the Wix Marketplace, click on the Explore Services section. This is where you can browse through a variety of services and expert profiles, whether you're seeking a web designer, a developer, or a marketing specialist. This section is packed with professionals who can help bring your ideas to life. As you continue exploring, you'll notice another section called Explore Templates. Click on that to view the selection of professionally designed website templates. This is a fantastic resource if you're looking to build a website but need some inspiration or guidance. The templates are thoughtfully created to suit a wide range of industries and purposes. Among the templates, you'll see an option labeled 290 Studio Templates Found. Click on that to unlock a vast collection of customizable templates. This is where you'll find everything from sleek, modern designs to more playful and creative layouts. Take your time to scroll through the options and find a template that best fits your vision. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to make it your own. Select the template that suits your needs and begin customizing it. Wix's drag-and-drop editor makes it incredibly easy to tweak every detail, from fonts and colors to images and layouts. You don't need any coding experience, just a little creativity and a willingness to experiment. And that's it. You've officially joined the Wix Marketplace and taken the first steps toward creating a professional, personalized website. From here, the possibilities are endless. Whether you want to collaborate with experts or explore more templates, you're well on your way to building something amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.